Man, why are the people picking their kids up from school right now? It's late. Man, I might have to just float around these people.
That Honda was going pretty fast. I'm gonna need to check his speed. Yep, just as I figured. 10-4, we got a speeding car. I'm gonna follow in pursuit.
Finally got out of school zone, man. Bro, why is there a cop behind me? I only sped for like a few seconds to get past that school zone. He really gonna make me pull over right now.
Good afternoon, sir. You know how fast you're going today? A little over the limit. Well, amigo, I don't know how they do it down there in Mexico, but in the States, you can't be doing 96 down the side streets. I'm gonna need to place you under arrest.
Man, I don't even know what you're talking about. I wasn't even speeding. You're just being racist. Radar guns aren't even real. What is this?
You probably have the same question the dirty criminal did. How do radar guns work? Well, it's actually quite simple. It measures the speed of the object in which it's pointed by detecting a change in frequency of the return radar signal caused by the Doppler effect, whereby the frequency of the return signal is increased in proportion to the object's speed of approach if the object is approaching and lowered if the object is receding.
So what the police officer said might have still confused you. We have this image right here to help you understand it even more. So people believe that the radar gun gives you the speed. It's actually not just that. The waves sent off of the radio waves sent off of the radar gun to the object, and then the waves that bounce off the object back to the radar gun tell the speed of the vehicle. So the equation underneath it shows how to do it. The radar gun actually automatically does the equation on its own. So when you reflect it, you can minus it that by the transmitted, and then it'll give you the total frequency, or you can do the equation on the right with the velocity, and then you would divide it by c, which is speed of light, and then you multiply it by the frequency. And that'll also give you how to the speed of the vehicle. I guess you were right. I was speeding. Tommy have said this diagram perfectly represents a radar gun. I've explained it already, but just to zoom into this photo and this diagram, when given the wavelength and velocity, right here, the wavelength and the velocity, you can figure out the frequency with the equation Mr. Seidel has given us previously with the frequency and the cycle and all that. And you can figure this out just by plugging in your information. I mean, right here, velocity, frequency, and we all know the c speed of light, so it's not too hard to figure out. Thank you. That's the conclusion. And we are brought to you. Do not drink and drive, or you'll end up like this guy.